Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to password protect a zip file on Windows 11. This is a really useful feature when you want to secure sensitive files or share documents safely with others. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to use. Once your PC is up and running, you're ready to begin the process. Now, navigate to the location where your folder is stored. This could be on your desktop, in your Documents folder, or anywhere else on your computer. Find the specific folder that you want to compress and protect with a password. Once you've located the folder, right-click on it to bring up the context menu. From the options that appear, look for and click on Add to Archive. This option is typically available if you have file compression software installed on your system, such as WinRAR or 7-Zip. Clicking this will open a new window called Archive Name and Parameters, which gives you various settings for creating your zip file. In this window, you'll see several options and settings for your archive. Look carefully for the Set Password button or option. This is usually located somewhere in the middle or bottom section of the window, depending on your compression software. Go ahead and click on Set Password to proceed with securing your zip file. After clicking on Set Password, a new dialog box will appear where you can enter your desired password. Type in the password you want to use for protecting this zip file. Make sure to choose something secure but memorable, as you'll need this password to access the contents later. After entering your password once, you'll need to type it again in the verification field to confirm you've entered it correctly. This double entry helps prevent typos that could lock you out of your own file. Once you've entered the password twice, click on OK to confirm your password settings. Now the archiving process will begin. You'll see a progress bar showing the compression and password protection being applied to your folder. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your folder and the number of files it contains. Wait for the process to complete. Once it's finished, your password-protected zip file will be created in the same location as your original folder. This zip file is now fully secured and can only be opened by someone who knows the password you just set, keeping your sensitive information safe from unauthorized access. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.